You can expect a lot from the 2016 Audi A7. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Audi infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as speed-sensitive wipers, a headlight cleaning system, and leather upholstery. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Audi's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 300+ point inspection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.